Well, I'm pretty excited about today because it pays to watch Craigslist and offer up and all those ads for free items. I just got this bed liner for free. I just went and picked it up, and it's literally just laying in the bed over my original bed caps and everything. And just it was 10 minutes from my house. Went and picked it up. As you can see, it came complete with an empty beer can and lots of spent shell casings, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll do a video. I'm gonna kind of clean this thing up. It's pretty dirty. It also came with the tailgate portion, which is inside the cab. But I'm gonna clean it up and probably have to pick up some mounting hardware. It looks like it was just held in with maybe 4 screws and some washers. Yeah, in fact, there's probably one of the screws right there. Another one over there. But anyway, I will go ahead and I guess get this thing installed, do a small video. But I've been looking for I was actually willing to pay money for one. Not a lot, because used bed liners aren't worth a whole bunch, but this was actually from another Ranger Edge. It's actually a Ford part, as you can see. So definitely happy with this. Stay tuned. All right, I got the liner out. I cleaned it out. Now I'm going to hose it out and just give it a quick scrub with a brush that I have. See, the dogs are busy enjoying all the new smells. The other thing I have to do is take off these bed caps that I put on here. These were great while they lasted, and they're still fine, but a bed liner was the ultimate goal, or at least a bed mat, so it's gonna help a lot. So I'm gonna take these off, take the one off the tailgate, clean that up, and then pop it in place. Doing a little bit of scrubbing on this, and it's coming pretty clean. There's a couple stains. I don't know if that over there is concrete or what, but just using this scrub brush, some soap and water, just getting it as clean as possible before I install it. All right, it's all mounted, it's done. I'm very happy with the results, especially for free. Got the tailgate cap on there, got some washers holding down the factory hardware is securing this, but with additional washers, and I painted them black. They actually also, when they gave me this, provided the mounting hardware for this, so it's all installed. Super happy with that. That's going to be a lot better than the spray-in stuff that I was using. I will still keep my eyes open for a rubber mat for the bottom, because I've had both before, and that seems to be the best combination. A rubber mat keeps things from sliding, and this plastic liner keeps you know, things from smashing into the box as you drive around. Anyway, one more project done. That'll do it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.